talking again. I don't want to hear him. I ain't talking it back. I cover my ears. Ooh. Hey guys, I'm done with my hair now. It looks so good. She did a good job. She did a good job. She did a real good job. I got my little edge scarf on so it don't lift. Then I put my bonnet on and go to sleep with my husband. I gotta clean this bathroom up though because it looks a mess. I'm not even gonna show y'all. I might show y'all when I'm done though. But yeah, I have a class tomorrow, so I have to hurry up and go to sleep. It's at 8 a.m. But yeah, guys, I have a photo shoot tomorrow with my sister, and then we're going to pack for Houston. And I'm in love with my boyfriend. We're gonna have smoke tomorrow. But yeah, I gotta get this hair off me, clean this bathroom up. All right, bye guys.